What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and this video, guys, is gonna be all over the place. We have done some stuff to the truck already, and we've done some stuff to the Trailblazer, but since we're on that quarantine and we're really not allowed to be out and about, we're supposed to be practicing I don't know, staying at home or something like that. I'm pretty sure everybody's going through it. I'm going through it. It sucks, guys, it sucks, but it is what it is. This video right here, guys, is gonna be all over the place, and I apologize for that. Man, I've been trying to do a lot of things, guys. I've been working, and then I've been having a couple of days off in between, and then it's like we're just shifting shifts. We're taking turns pretty much. But with that being said, guys, hopefully you enjoy this video. Oh yeah, before I forget, guys, I do have the Titan window giveaway going on. I'm still not sure if we're gonna be pushing that back some due to all this coronavirus, the quarantine, and all that stuff. I'm still not sure if we're gonna be pushing it back a little bit some, but it is still going on. I had a couple people ask me, hey bro, aren't you giving away the window? Why are you selling it on Facebook, and why is it on OfferUp and this and that? And guys, I have two windows. I'm not a person that's gonna fuck anybody over. I'm trying to grow, guys. I'm trying to grow on my YouTube channel. I'm trying to grow on the truck scene, and I'm not gonna, how am I gonna put myself in that position of saying I'm gonna give away something I'm not gonna give away? I do have two windows, guys. I will be showing the windows here in this video. I also got another couple parts for the truck. It's gonna be in this video too, guys. Hopefully y'all enjoy. Like I said, guys, this video is all over the place, but hopefully y'all enjoy. I must try to keep my videos together, for the following videos. But with that being said, guys, don't forget, God is good. Stay pushing, and if you don't have to be out, guys, don't be out. If you can practice that stay at home, and check on your loved ones. We can get through this. Catch you on the next one. And we're back with another video. We're at my boy's house. We're fucking with the Trailblazer, guys. We ain't doing nothing. Got my boy Sater, and we started the truck. So we started the truck already, guys. We got the whole driver's side mostly done, but we're running short on pieces. I didn't know how much I was gonna use, but she looks alright. Missing a couple pieces right here, some on the door, the little frame, whatever it's called. Got some on the hood already. It's a struggle because it's windy, but we're gonna get it done. Hopefully this coronavirus don't fuck up the shootout, because this look is for the shootout, and hopefully them vinyls don't fall off. I washed the truck a little bit, it's still dirty, but I ain't tripping. It is what it is. The truck's running okay. A lot of people have been asking me about the truck. She's running okay. But we're gonna probably put it on the stand, do a little time lapse, and hopefully I enjoy. let y'all know, this wrap, this camo, this whatever y'all want to call it, this is a 50-50. It's 50 feet away and 50 miles per hour. Don't come over here trying to judge me on this. Don't come over here trying to say, oh, hey, look at this, you fucked up. I don't care. I don't care, guys. I really don't care. It's a 50-50, guys. You gotta be 50 feet away and it looks good. And at 50 miles per hour passing by, she's gonna look real good, real professional. But if you come up close, we're not professionals. We're just doing this because I want to change up the look on the truck. We got the next generation right there. Got the next generation. So y'all don't judge me on this. So we ended up going to HID Kids. I got these. So this is the window, guys, that I'm giving away, and obviously I'm gonna clean it up. You know, it has these stickers, these marks, but the window is complete. Like literally, it's complete. I have the window regulator put up, but the window is complete, guys. I'm about to show you the other window so y'all won't get anything mixed up. Alright guys, so I have been working on the truck a little bit. I ended up putting the system, putting the double din, the 212s. The truck is dirty guys, so I have a bunch of mess. But this is the second window guys. You can see it right there. I also have this airbag. If anybody needs it or wants it, hit me up. I bought the Crispo wing as well guys for this one, and I like it. I got the corners inside. Well, I think they're in either here or the Trailblazer, but this is the second window guys. You can tell this one doesn't have no markings on the sides. They don't got no stickers, no nothing. These are two different windows guys, and I'm actually planning on putting one on this one. I'm not sure yet. So before I end this video, I want to thank everybody that's been following me, sharing my stuff, liking and subscribing. Means a lot. I appreciate it. I don't have words to express how much I appreciate y'all. And don't forget guys, there's still more to come. I know the video was kind of short, kind of cut off and all this stuff, and I'm gonna be working on it guys. Like I said, I'm gonna try to work on my videos and my timing and all that a little bit more. But with that being said guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. Have a good day. Don't forget God is good. Keep pushing. Catch you on the next one.